I am very happy to see that the way Language Academy has arranged the videos in the reading is very fantastic. I have not been able to see this kind of things on any other website. And the teachers, the way they have explained how the fill in the blanks are being chosen and what is the strategy behind the fill in the blanks, we have to watch the videos. And if we watch the videos, they are perfect. And the second tip is follow the strategies. That is very important because everything is explained. We just have to follow, and if you will follow, it will definitely work out.
Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, what a great day. I've got Sohail with me, one of our online students from Saudi Arabia. 80 overall in PT when he was aiming for 7 each, which is 65. He has got 88 in listening, 84 in writing, and then he's got 75 in speaking and 80 in reading, which is a band 8 as well. Congratulations, very well done.
Thank you very much, Varun sir. Thank you very much, and I'm very glad to say that I'm extremely grateful to Language Academy. The way they have taught me and the way they have published everything online is very much appreciable.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Really appreciate that. See, being an online student can sometimes be difficult, right? A lot of students think, will I be able to study online? You have done it. You have got 80 in reading and then 88 in listening, 84 in writing. What do you think was the key factor which helped you get 88 in listening and 84 in writing?
Actually, the key factor is in listening, particularly if you talk about, then you have to focus on your spellings.
Mm-hmm.
And fill in the blanks are very important. We normally make mistakes when we are making fill in the blanks, and
Yep.
then we have to make sure that we are following the strategies because absolutely amazing strategies are being told by Varun sir in the videos.
Yep.
And I just followed the strategies for highlight. The words we have to read along with the speaker, and in right form dictation also we have to focus on the words, the starting
Yep.
words, the initials we have to write. So
Mm-hmm.
this is the key.
That's
All you have done, and
100%
we just
correct.
have to follow.
That's correct. See, as you mentioned, one thing I would like to highlight here, as you have mentioned, it's very important to focus on spellings. Many times students just keep on practicing. They have got this autocorrect thing in their mobile phones or on the computers, which correct the spellings for them. And when they go for the test, they tend to make a lot of spelling errors. And if you've got spelling mistakes in listening, you're going to lose a lot of points in listening and writing as well. Very important that you do not make spelling mistakes. On top of that, follow the right strategies for summarized spoken text, write proper initials in right from dictation, and as Sohail has mentioned, keep on reading the paragraph or the sentence in highlight incorrect words. That is the way you'll be able to figure out the incorrect words. Reading is 80, amazing. Many a times I've seen students, get their scores in all the modules, they miss out in their reading module. 18 reading, what's the key behind this?
Exactly. The key is the videos, and I am very happy to see that the way Language Academy has arranged the videos in the reading is very fantastic. I have not been able to see this kind of things on any other website. And the teachers, the way they have explained how the fill in the blanks are being chosen and what is the strategy behind the fill in the blanks, we have to watch the videos. And if we watch the videos, they are perfect, and there is nothing like that in any other PT preparation academy. That is way good.
That's right.
So
See,
we have to follow
reading.
the video strategies. That is the
Yep.
key, actually.
That's right. See, reading, as you mentioned, videos are important, but it is very important to understand that whenever students practice reading, it's not just about practicing. As Sohail has mentioned, whenever you practice, you go wrong anywhere. Language Academy's website has got explanation video of each and every passage, which tells you why the right answer is the right answer, why your answer is incorrect, and what are the mistakes and things you need to take care of. This is how you improve your reading. It's not about practicing hundreds of blanks, it's just about practicing the right amount, but at the same time understanding where you are going wrong and not making the same mistake again. Any final tips, any advice for students out there, what they should do if they want to get a dream score as you have got?
Guys, the final tips is you have to focus on the spellings,
Yeah.
and that is very, very important. And the second tip is follow the strategies. That is very important because everything is explained. We just have to follow, and if you will follow, it will definitely work out.
That's right. That's right. Focus on your spellings. That will sort out your listening and writing, and then follow the strategies. Each and every strategy is curated. We have worked upon it number of years, number of times you have taken trial tests just to make sure everything works in the actual Pearson test, and then only we have given out the strategies. And if you follow the strategies in the right way, you will be able to get your desired scores. Congratulations and all the very best, Sohail.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Guys, remember, if he has done it, if I have done it, if thousands of students are doing it every day, you can do it as well. Just make sure you work hard and work smart in the right direction, under the right guidance, and success will be yours. Varun from Language Academy, I'll see you in the next video.